Alright, y'all, it's November 19th. It's approximately 8:32 p.m. I'm at Shelbyville, Kentucky. I just added 2 cans, 6-ounce bottles, whatever, of the Cerma into my engine. I'm sitting here doing the idling thing. I'm waiting for it to kind of smooth out a little. It's not super rough, but that's what the Lady D said to do, so that's what I'm doing. I'm going to sit here and let this do this for a couple minutes, and then I'm going to drive it on down to Berea, Kentucky. That's about 90 miles. So I'm hoping this stuff really coats my engine, and I'm really hoping this stuff does what it's supposed to. Engine treatment for diesel engines. Restores power, protects engine, increases horsepower, reduces emissions, torque and performance, reduces friction, reduces harmonic and vibration. Cool. Uses some kind of STM3 SIC technology. So we'll see what's up here.